Okay, today I will show you how to analyze neutron flux by using neutron radiography. In this case, I'm using CCD camera. Yes, it's basically a CMOS camera. So, and then I took two kind of data set. It is dark image and open beam image. So, okay, this is the example of data that I took in before. So this is the data, this is the reference data. It means that it's the normal data when there's no problem in my beam. So I put in here, and then there's another data I took. It's like a sequence started from the 8th March 2021 until 10th March of 2021. So but in this video I only just maybe reconstructed one. It's like for the reference data, and for another one you can try it by yourself. Yeah, it is just basically if you want to measure the density or the flux neutrons faster using the CCD camera. Okay, let's start it. Okay, in this case, I'm only using this kind of software called ImageJ software. So I should use this one. And then another thing that you need to do is you should to prepare your Excel file. Yeah, it's just if you because you need to analyze it in the end. Okay, so this is the reference data. So I just right click in here and then hold it, hold it, and then drag to the software. So you open it. It's basically you open the image, and then you put you do the same way for the open beam image. So yeah, now we have two kind of image in here, dark beam and the open beam. Now how to proceed this one, how to measure this flux with two kind of data. So first step, we need to go to processes, and then select image calculator, and then in here we need to subtract it an image from the open beam to subtract to the dark beam. Okay, let's do that, and then we got this kind of result. Okay, and then as you see this one, there's several of like a white noise, a white spot noise. So I need to reduce it. So again, I go to the processes and then go to noise, and then go to remove outlier and make it maybe 5. Yeah, it's but it depends on what your image quality of your data set. And then okay, so we, as you can see, that's the whole several of them already decreased here. And then next step is now we need to like set up the scale image. So just make a line in here, just select a line button, and then put it in the very periphery of the images. And then yeah, but don't forget to push a shift button in your keyboard, and then go straight, yeah, go across the image from one side to another side, and then go to the analyze, and then set scale and make it global. And this know that I know that the distance is around 10 centimeter in centimeter or 100 in millimeter, and make it global. And then okay, now I need to measure this, right. Okay, so I need to measure the intensity of my the flux image from the image. So I need to go to the rectangular button and then just make it this one. Yeah, this make a rectangular, and then go to analyze and plot profile. So you will get this kind of profile. But of course, if you work with a lot of data set, you need to, and also you should to make sure that the rectangular, the shape and the size is almost the same, right, in every images that you want to measure. So how to do that, how to proceed it? So maybe I can, this one I close it first and then go to the plugins and then macros, and then click record. So you will get this one. So I will start it again from the beginning. So I just easy to create like a rectangular in here. So they will it will record it. It call make a rectangle with this x and y xy conditions, x1 y1 x2 y2, and then I just simple by create it. So if I just want to maybe go to this one, this image, I can just go around, or I want to go to another image and then go this one, I will get the same size of rectangular in here. Okay, but now only focusing on my data here, this kind of this data. Okay, now after that I got this rectangular, and then I just go to analyze, and then just go to, I just click the plot profile. Okay, and then in here I'm using this one, and then copy first. Yeah, just you see the left button, there's a data button in here, the button with written data, and then click and then copy first data set. Okay, you can close this one and go to the analyze again and tools and curve fitting. Okay, and then you pass this one, this data, and select and you can select a Gaussian one and make a fit. So you will get the equation in here, the formula in here. Now we need to go more to the Excel file. Okay, in this case I need to go to the Excel file. Okay, make new one. Okay, and then okay, so if I write in here A, B, C, D, and R square actually, and so I just put the data in here, go forward, go 142, 12, and then C is 4.410, and this one is 2.63476 with the error almost 100%. Okay, okay, so and then I make a labeling. I make a labeling in here. If so in here I just make it example that I label here in A1 B1, and then C1, and the last is E1. Okay, so if I put my data in here with distance started from 0 and then gradually increasing a quarter, and then go forward in here until I got, maybe it's around, no, it's a lot, maybe I will go into 10. Yeah, from 0 to 10, and then this is my data in the last, Okay, so this is data. This I call it the reference data. So you see the equation in here. So I just simply by you put it out this one. So I just need to make it a1 plus parenting and b1 minus a1. Just follow the equations and then multiply by the exponential value from the minus parenting again. This is my data in here, and then minus again minus c1. Okay, multiple by again the h4 minus c1 in here, and then okay, divided by parenting again to multiply by d1 again, multiply by d1. Okay, close the parenting, and then I just simplify the enter. Okay, and then go forward in here, and then I got this kind of data set, and then okay, if you see that this is my data, so and then I need to correct that my data, select the image, and then from this one to this one. Okay, okay, and then I call it reference data, and then okay, now if I just make it this one and click no, yeah, I forgot, it's not like this one, because what that I really needed is, sorry, this one is should be divided by 70. 70 mean is 70 seconds, so I will get the intensity per second in the end. So this equation should be divided by 70 seconds. So this one is for uh, intensity per second, and then do the same what like what I did before. Okay, and then this one I decreasing maybe with 0.7. Okay, good. And then this one I need again to correct this data set. Okay, and then I call it this data is reference. So you will get this kind of data. Okay, perfect. Now go to the second data. Okay, I will just simply by don't save this all the data, and then you can do the same maybe. Okay, so I will go to the second data is 10 March, for example. So this basically is background is dark image, and this one for the oven beam image. Okay, I will do the same processes. So start it from the processes, image calculator, and then from the open subtracted to the beam image, and then I will get this one. Okay, and then go to the noise, remove the outlier, and then go again. But in this case I don't need to rescale the image, so I just go directly to the make a rectangular. So I already create this script, so I just simply by making this one and go to the block profile again. So we get this kind of data, and then again go to the data, copy first data image, close this image, Yeah, we can close this image, and then yeah, go to the curve fitting. Yeah, we need to delete it first, and then replace it with the new data, and then make it fit. So we get this kind of data and put it again in our Excel file. So first is equal to 46.71764, and then go to the 70.8881 and 4.04252 and 2.53123, and then for 99.32. Okay, so again I need to label it. So I call it A1, A2, A2. I call it B2, and then this one I call it C2 maybe, and then this one I call it B2. Okay, perfect. Now we just need to go here. So I call this one is 10 March data, and then we, because I'm just a little lazy in here, so I need to copy paste it in here, but I need to change all to be uh, 2, A1, B1, B2. Okay, just okay, 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 perfect. Everything changed to be the second second level, and then we got this kind of data set, and then do the same. Okay, and then again we need to divide this one by the 70 second, because we need to measure it with 1 second. Then we need to know how many flux per second we got it, and then we can maybe edit this one, select the data, and then edit, and then make it the data 10 March, and then select this kind of data set. Yeah, okay, perfect. And then again the range is around here to here. Okay, perfect. No, so which one? Okay, this one. So you can see that's the difference between the reference one and the data set that the data came from the 10th of March. So it's still not normal, but yeah, we need to go more higher, yeah, to make it 100% intensity of my facility. Okay, that's what I can do, what I can explain in this kind of tutorial. Thank you for watching, and hope you enjoy my tutorial. If there's any question, you can write it down in the comment sections below. Thank you.